Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable eye control feature in Windows 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, open up your Windows setting. I'm going to click on the start menu and open my settings. And then we're going to go to the accessibility setting. And here you just need to scroll down until you find the eye control. Okay, and here you can activate the eye control, but you need to connect an eye tracker to use eye control. And to get the eye tracker, you can use your webcam or you can use your camera or anything that can track the eye. And after that, you can turn on this feature. Right now, I can't turn it on because I haven't connected an eye tracker to my PC. Okay guys, and that's how we can activate eye control in Windows 11. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.